Breaking news, my country people. Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader, has requested his case transfer from Justice Mutola Nyako to another judge in Abuja, or probably a southeast or south-south court. My country people, it's happening. We recall that Nnamdi Kanu had requested for the recusal of Justice Mutola Nyako from the case, and the judge had also confirmed her recusal from the case.
On the lower court. So I was actually surprised that a high court have refused to obey or abide by the determination of a Supreme Court judgment.
And then take the only part that is against him and then refuse to apply the part that is in favor of him.
This cherry picking of what was contained in the Supreme Court judgment is what I'm against.
Yes, that's correct.
It should be implemented holistically.
Yes.
I'm not against facing any trial.
Judgment.
After I'm innocent, they have nothing against me. But there cannot be any trial when key sections of the Constitution and a key Supreme Court judgment has been violated by a court of law.
So you'll be patient for the case to go back and come back to the court?
This is my 4th year in solitary confinement in detention. The 5th year will not kill me.
Sorry, what if the case is also reassigned back to her? Will you still be comfortable?
It's not going to happen.
No, it won't happen.
It won't happen. It doesn't happen.
It doesn't happen that way. It doesn't happen that way at all.
Thank you very much.
These are the things that the public must understand. Most of you journalists, the legal correspondents, you don't take time to actually study some of these rulings and judgments. Go and study. In fact, I'll give you...
Bring that envelope. Bring the envelope.
Look at it here. Look at it here. Look at it.
I'll give it to her because I think she's a bit more...
Give her the Supreme Court judgment.
Can you hold this for me?
She can.
I want to let the whole world understand something. Very, very clear. In all this is judgment of the Supreme Court. It made it very clear that even that the impartiality of the judge is questionable. And it's here. Guys, please do bear with me. It says it here.
I like
what is it, page? What is that again? Where it says all these things are online. Is it on page 18? All these things are online. So I suggest that the journalists in this country actually take out time to do some basic research. It's not difficult, just minor research. You will understand the vacuousness, the emptiness of all the charges against me. They kept switching the charges. They said I committed this crime in England. Isn't it?
Yes.
I made a broadcast in England.
Yes.
And in 9 charges leveled against me.
However, Nnamdi Kanu, through his legal team, has raised alarm that the case has been returned back to Justice Nyako to continue. A move which Nnamdi Kanu and his legal team have said no. They are not going to accept this. And they rejected it. So in a statement by Aloy Nyako, after the legal team's routine visit to Nnamdi Kanu in the custody of the DSS, Nnamdi Kanu instructed his lawyers. He told his legal team to ensure that his case is not being handled by that Justice Nyako, by that Justice Binta Nyako. So at this point, they are saying it's either they carry this case to another judge in Abuja, or they take this case to the Southeast Court, or probably a South-South Court, but not Justice Binta Nyako. Nnamdi Kanu doesn't want his case to be handled by Justice Binta Nyako. The Nigerian judges in Abuja are clearly a true definition of corruption. The point was stressed that should the case lie with Justice Binta Nyako, it will mean that the same court is disobeying an order that he made. How can a court take away the case from Nnamdi Kanu? They recused the case from Justice Binta Nyako, and now they are now bringing the case back to her again after they made an order. So what sort of order is that when they cannot obey their own order? What sort of court is that? So it's best Nnamdi Kanu should just transfer his case to the Southeast or any other court, but they should leave that Abuja court because those persons, they are not serious. They are really out to make sure they frustrate Nnamdi Kanu. They are out to make sure that they delay his case, they delay his judgment. They want to make sure they frustrate and delay his judgment. That's what they are doing. So it's best the court hears Nnamdi Kanu's plea and transfer this case to another court so that they can proceed with this legal case. So my country people, make una come chook mouth for this matter. Nnamdi Kanu has stated his demand, and he's demanding for a trial transfer to the southeast. And let it be so. Let it be transferred to a southeast court or any south-south court. But the southeast court would be better. He should transfer to that court so that the people will also feel his presence in the southeast region. Aloy Nyako and his legal team, they are making efforts to see to the transfer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case, to see to the transfer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trial from that Abuja court to another court. And so shall it be. Because I don't understand what's happening in Abuja. If no other judge in Abuja is willing to handle the case, then they should transfer it to Enugu, Port Harcourt, any other place aside Abuja where the offences were alleged to have happened. Let them transfer it there. They said that Nnamdi Kanu is causing trouble in the southeast region. They should take the case to the southeast region so that they can proceed. So we will know what we are doing, so that Nnamdi Kanu will know what he is doing. They should not waste his time. They should stop wasting his time. Because what they are doing, they are delaying him, they are delaying justice. How can they continue using one judge? Even Nnamdi Kanu said he doesn't want to use that judge again. The court obeyed. And now they are bringing that judge back. What are they trying to do? What sort of game is this? What sort of game are they trying to play with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? So let it just be like that, my country people. Let them just transfer the case. It will be better if they transfer the case to another court so that everybody will rest, even the Abuja lawyers, the Abuja judges, so them too will have peace of mind. The fear of Biafra is leaving these politicians in fear. The fear of Biafra is leaving some politicians in fear. They don't want to hear the name Biafra. They cannot handle it. It's making them to panic. It's making them to panic. That's why they are trying so hard to delay justice. They are trying so hard. But they will fail. They will surely fail. Because at some point, justice will always prevail at the end of the day. Even if it is delayed, it shall not be denied. So they should just grant Nnamdi Kanu his request and let everybody go their way. Let everybody go their way. Nigeria is already a failed country. Nothing is really working well for this country anymore. People that know how this country is, they know. But they are trying to deny him his freedom. Other corrupt politicians, once they approach court, they are being granted bail. And boom, they will release them. Look at Yahaya Bello going to visit President Bola Ahmed Tinubu alongside his successor, Usman Ododo, someone that had corruption case. They went to visit Tinubu, they were shining their teeth, snapping pictures here and there. Look at how many billions of naira he stole. This man is not a criminal. Why are you persecuting him? This man is not, he did not commit any offense. He is not found guilty of anything. So why are they still prosecuting him? Meanwhile, corrupt politicians are being worshipped, are being celebrated on a daily basis. But someone that wants to liberate his people from suffering is being punished by this Nigerian government. So guys, I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments.